Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah, as you all know, that Alhamdulillah we are running Peer Islamic Culture Center, Masjid Ibrahim, Taham Salah, Tahseen and Yasin. Alhamdulillah, I am the chair of all this organization and we are working hard for this Masjid Ibrahim. I have nothing to say about Mr. Patrick Brown. Then nothing left for me, they have praised so much. You know, I was always saying, Mr. Patrick Brown, if you want really success, you should have your team very strong. That was my whole goal. And I can say in Ward 2 and 6, I live in that one. And I got 100% vote for these, the score and Michael Oplucci also. So Alhamdulillah, they are selected. And the same way, Mr. Dennis Cannon, he was in Tamusalla. I told him, glad tidings that for you, inshallah, you will be successful. And that's what we did, Alhamdulillah. So this is why, Alhamdulillah, Masjid Ibrahim now in construction, and we are doing this event on Sagan Banquet Hall. Brothers are sharing this all on your table. Please, my humble request to all of you, you come over there also, inshallah, you will be our great guest, inshallah ta'ala. And I also request Mr. Patrick Brown, inshallah, join also and see again to us, inshallah, in this gathering. You know, I will really appreciate everyone, especially Brother Miaں ندیم. You know, I will say that in masjid, even we are calling people, they don't come, but when we have a biryani, they come, everybody comes. You know? So the same way Miaں ندیم has did good job. MashaAllah, he brought everybody here and food, inshallah. This is the love and affection. And this is the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also. Invite the people and they should come, and this will make a unity, inshallah. So let us do this again and again, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.